Okay, task 5 is going to be an easy one. So if you read with me in your packet, task 5 says you are now down to the Elite 8, which means these are the 8 best teams in the country. For this, use any statistic you've collected so far to make predictions. No graphs are necessary for this task. So what you're going to do is you're going to analyze these matchups here. So I'm looking at, mine was Duke versus Michigan State. And so far we've looked at their overall rank, 1 versus 2. So these are supposed to be the 2 best. Look at their defense. Looks like Michigan State's is lower, so that's a good thing. Their defense is a little bit better than Duke's. We can look at their BPI rank, 3 and 4. They're neck and neck. We can look at their points per game. Duke scores a little bit more than Michigan State. And if you keep scrolling down, it tells you some more information here. It gives you a little summary about each team. You could read this real quick and just kind of get in some more information. If you don't know a lot about basketball, this could give you a little bit more information about Duke and Michigan State. When you're done, there's some more stats down here too. When you're done and you want to pick your winner, you can see I already picked Duke to win. And then I did the same thing for Virginia, Tennessee. I looked at their rank. I looked at their defense. For UVA's defense is a lot better, but Tennessee scores a lot more points. Virginia's 1, Tennessee's 7. It's tough. It's tough. As I look here, we can read this a little bit. And I picked Tennessee, but I know a lot of people are going to pick Virginia. When you're done with this task, you should pick these 2 teams here. And mine are blank, but you should pick between these 2 teams here. And at this point, you're going to be in the middle. You'll have 2 teams here, 2 teams here into the final 4. Again, there is no graph for this project, for this task, I mean. This is just use all the data you've collected so far, and we should be down to our final 4 teams. 2 here and 2 here. When you're done with that, go ahead and find task 6 video, and this will be the last task.